Today we have a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is "Woman Has No Clue How Her Car Ended Up on a Tree."
Is that a tree?
What happens when you mix wine coolers, Long Islands, and a retirement party?
Just took out, pretty sure someone's front yard, 65 to 28.
Huh.
65.
Wow.
Damn, she went up the hill.
Bravo Charlie 2 1 Romeo Foxtrot BC 2 1 RF. Just go ahead and change this to a signal 4.
26.
Wow.
You want medics?
No, you are not.
You want medics? Yep. 7165. You can go ahead and start with medic precautionary. They can come cold.
Bring this down. And then step over here.
10-1.
You're bleeding from somewhere. Let me look exactly where. There's blood all over here. Is it just a cut?
Yeah.
Oh, on her arm.
Yeah.
We got EMS coming to look at you. One? Or not sure?
Yeah. One.
I'm gonna go make contact with the homeowners. You got an ID? Is it in the car?
Yeah.
So what exactly happened? How did you get here?
I really don't know. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I don't know. My house is right there. I don't know.
What's your address?
It's literally.
Everybody that get DUI, their house is right there. They right down the block. They're 5 minutes away. Oh, can you follow me home? Why does everyone that gets stopped for DUI is so close to home?
Yeah, it is right up the road.
Yeah.
Is that a tree?
Yep.
Holy shit. Holy shit. That is insane.
Damn.
I'd say 1,000.
Yeah, I'd say 1,000.
I'd say 1,000 for the cleanup of the tree, to haul it off, to get dirt in here. Shoot, you could go 2,000.
Yeah, I'd say the more the better. Just because that is, I
Are you
mean,
doing the crash report?
yes, I already started it.
So where did you have this wine cooler?
At a retirement party for my job.
But you were saying so you're saying it was 2 hours ago, but the retirement party was at 6 p.m. yesterday.
And we was there until like 9.
I got you. But you're saying the last drink you had was a wine cooler 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
You can see why that's not making any sense whatsoever, right?
It was about 2 hours ago.
But not at Lava.
No.
At the retirement party that you had at.
Oh, come on, y'all. Come on, Watch Cop Cam. Come on. You guys could have extracted the audio and synced up the audio with the video. Come on, y'all. This is come on. I like y'all content, but this is lazy, man. This is lazy work, man. You could do this in CapCut. This is not extract the audio. You see that it's off. You should extract the audio and sync it up with the video. Oh man.
6 p.m. yesterday.
Yeah, but I not exactly at 6 p.m. That wasn't a light drink. I probably was drinking till like 8 something.
I got you. So you're saying that 8 p.m. yesterday was 2 hours ago? And you're aware that it is 2 in the morning?
Yeah, that was my last drink.
8 p.m. of 11/21/2025 was 2 hours ago?
Yes.
Okay. Well, Miss Brianna, look, I appreciate your honesty, I guess. But from this moment forward, I'm just going to ask you, you're going to take what you told me. You're saying all you've had is one wine cooler in the last 2 hours.
Yeah, in the last
at 9 p.m. yesterday.
Yeah, I just had a wine cooler.
At 9 p.m. yesterday, 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
Perfect. Listen, from this moment forward, I'm just going to ask you to participate in some standardized field sobriety exams. Just because I need to determine your current level of impairment before you decided to drive that vehicle.
Fall off, just keep going. Listen.
one more to go. So these 2 Blue Lava Long Island drinks that you got.
Yeah, it was for my coworker and her friend, and then I had a Bahama Mama, but that was at the party.
Okay, see, I think you're vastly underplaying how much you've had to drink tonight. And the only reason I mentioned that is because you did very poorly on your Feel Sobriety exercises. So I'm just trying, at this point, there's no point in not telling me or how much
Well,
you
I
had.
knew how much I had to drink. I had Don Julio, and then I had the Bahama Mama before
See,
I
the Don Julio was new from the second.
But that
Initially, it was just a
before
water
6
cooler.
o'clock. That was
before your
yeah,
house party.
that was.
Or not the
Zaxby's on West 40.
Yeah, well, that was as soon as I got to the retirement party at 6 o'clock. I had 2 Don Julios, and then before I left, I had Bahama Mama.
And then where's the wine cooler?
That was the Bahama Mama. That was the
what it's
wine. Yeah. Yes.
Well, that's changed already a couple times. Listen, I'm not gonna. Actually, I'll just put on. I'm not gonna mince words with you. You are being taken arrested because you are very clearly driving in the limit points. I heard you say it the second I pulled you out of that car, and Feel Sobriety exercises didn't exactly prove to me anything different. But you've been fully cooperative with me. So obviously, I'm not gonna lie to you or anything like that or make you do anything silly. I'm gonna ask you to place your hands behind your back for me, okay? I appreciate that, Mr. Brianna. Just if you place your hands towards each other and interlock your fingers like you're praying backwards.
I have this thing here when I want me to drop it.
Yeah, you're good. Just drop that. No, I meant the other way. Like, look. Do it like. Yeah, and then interlock your fingers. Like. You have another pair of cuffs? I just foresee this being pain. Yeah, I don't want it to hurt you. So. I don't know what you're doing.
I'll just do this quick.
Yeah, we're just gonna put 2 cuffs on you. Because I don't want it to be hurting you in any way.
She'd been bar hopping throughout the city, stopping at a retirement party, drinking Don Julio's, Bahama Mama, and a receipt for 2 Blue Long Islands. She blew more than double the legal limit and failed every field sobriety test. She was arrested for DUI with property damage. Drop your thoughts in the
Y'all should have extracted the audio and synced it up, man. That shit crazy, man. Like that shit is so crazy, boy. But anyways, yeah, man. She's just, the one thing that I would say is that she was pleasant. She wasn't loud. She wasn't rah rah, all of the, the shenanigans. She was pleasant. She's drunk, but it is what it is. So that was actually refreshing, just to, go through the motions, but not all with all the extra antics and stuff like that, whatever. It is what it is, man. Take that DUI on the chin, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.